Shrinky Dinks are versatile arts and crafts plastic sheets, typically sized 8 inches by 10 inches, that can be used to create colorful artwork and jewelry. To use them, draw or trace designs on the surface of the sheets, utilizing colored pencils on the rough side, or permanent markers on the smooth side. Avoid using oily substances like crayons or paint on Shrinky Dink sheets, as they will melt in high heat. You can also print images directly onto the rough side of the sheets using a printer, ensuring that you mirror any text for proper readability through the clear, shiny side post-baking. Once you've drawn or printed your designs, cut them down to your desired shape and punch holes in designs made for jewelry. That will require connectors. Place your cutout Shrinky Dink art on a non-stick baking tray lined with aluminum foil and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 3 minutes until they flatten out. The final product will shrink to 1/3 of its original size while becoming 9 times thicker, resulting in vibrant and durable creations. For homemade versions, you can use No. 6 plastic, following a similar process to achieve the desired effects.